Next is relative permittivity or dielectric constant. So what are these? We are going to understand. If Q1, Q2 two charges and here its distances are, and we know that for free space, when using for free space we are using epsilon naught, then value of F or force between the two charges is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square Newton. This is the we are taken, this is first equation. And if there is medium is present, we are taken F as a F1 is equal to, so this is the sign of equal 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 into Q2 upon R square Newton. Okay, this is the second equation. So we are doing here equation 1 is divided by equation 2. So F upon F1 we can say and is equal to this right hand side is divided by this right hand side. So we can write here 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square. This is, and sign of division between these two equation we got 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 into Q2 R square. Only we are what we are doing here, we are only writing the sign of division, or we are showing here equation 1 is divisible by equation 2. Now we are going to solve. When we change this division sign with instead of multiplicative sign, then here right side the numerator goes to denominator and denominator goes to numerator. It means is it got its reciprocal. Okay, so we got F upon F1 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 upon Q2 R square, and this all are written in upper side. So we got 1 upon 4 pi epsilon into R square upon Q1 into Q2. So this same term will be cancelled here, 4 pi R square all will be cancelled. Remaining part is only epsilon and epsilon naught. So we got F, let F upon F1, this is, let it will be K. Okay, so it is a constant because ratio of two forces will be constant. So we are taken sin K. So we can write here K is equal to epsilon upon epsilon naught, and when we are doing cross multiplication we got K into epsilon naught is equal to epsilon, then epsilon is equal, or we can say epsilon is equal to K epsilon naught. So what we got here, so we understand here K is equal to F upon F1, and the ratio of force acting between the 2 point charges kept at certain distance apart in air or vacuum to the force acting between the same charges in a medium at same distance is called the dielectric constant. Okay, so what is K here? K is a dielectric constant because force acting, this force and this force are acting where? Between the 2 point charges. Okay, in air or vacuum, air or vacuum, and between the medium. So we can say when same charges in a medium at same distance, okay, then it is called the dielectric constant. Or in simple way we can say force acting on air and force acting on medium, and its ratio is called dielectric constant.